water industry is the fourth most energy-intensive industry in the UK. It accounts for 50 million tonnes a year of carbon dioxide emissions. Water utilities companies are under regulated obligations to reduce this environmental impact whilst providing cheaper, safer drinking water and managing the impacts of wastewaters discharged to the environment. This challenge is amplified by many of the things we've discussed: population demographics, climate change, increasing energy costs and staffing costs, and increasingly stringent regulatory pressures. In response to this, and this I hope answers Mr. Ump's question to some degree, in response to this across Europe, the framework is now being opened up to allow new and innovative technologies to become part of the solution for water companies to solving these growing problems. Typhon Treatment has been founded to capitalise on this opportunity. We're bringing to market our energy-efficient treatment process that answers the commercial and regulatory requirements of the water utilities companies. Ultraviolet water treatment has been in use for over 100 years. Much in the same way as UV damages your skin, it can be used to kill off contaminants in water and wastewater. It can also be used to drive chemical processes to remove hard-to-treat micropollutants, pesticides, drug residuals. These are areas, again, of growing environmental and public health concern. Currently, all UV processes are based on mercury vapor lamps. These things are inefficient, inflexible, and also chemically hazardous. So what's the solution? Typhon's patent-pending technology exploits the emerging technology for producing ultraviolet light from energy-efficient LEDs. Our unique combination of intellectual property and system design provides a range of operation advantages whilst delivering a 90% energy saving on existing state-of-the-art technologies. So why is Typhon worthy of your attention? Globally, these are the big numbers. Globally, UV equipment sales are worth over $1 billion a year, and this market is growing and growing fast. UK utilities are paying £6 million a year to power the existing UV utility equipment base, and much of this is due for replacement within this asset management period, the next 5 years. Last year in Lancashire, you may have followed it in the news, 1,250,000 people were affected by chlorine-resistant parasite called Cryptosporidium. This ultimately was resolved by applying UV technology, but the cost for that outbreak is running to £25 million, that one outbreak. Okay? So Typhon's energy-efficient UV equipment has a growing place in a substantial market. The UK is served by 26 water utilities companies, all with common regulatory obligations. Typhon was invited to present to this very concentrated selling landscape at the recent European Technology Approvals Group, run by IL Utilities, represented here today. This has resulted in significant interest in our products and significant interest in our program and our pilot works. This interest has also been echoed by industrial users, and again we talked about the role of industrial users, and utilities companies from across Europe and America. This is a product which is applicable to anywhere that has a regulatory framework and an energy cost demographic similar to that we experience here. The tech has promise, the market has potential. So how do we deliver this? Who are we? I'm Matt Simpson, Managing Director of Typhon Treatment Systems. I have a PhD in water treatment technology, 15 years experience in the global water market. I've worked as a technology consultant for the UK water industry. My business partner, Peter McNulty, he's previously invented and commercialised a ballast water treatment system in the shipping industry. We're beneficiaries of the largest investment of the Innovate Technology Group to date. This has taken us through prototype work to a technology readiness level of 6. And our technology has been verified by Cranfield University, widely regarded as the UK's leading water management group. We have investment from Nikiso, Japanese LED manufacturer and the forefront manufacturer of UV LED chips. And we have Thames Water and United Utilities signed up as partners for our pilot projects, committing finance and resources to that program. So what are we looking for? We need to take our product through pilot studies and commercialisation phases. We're looking for £1.2 million as an equity investment to cover match funding for grants and working capital. If you're interested in this opportunity, if you'd like to talk to us, please find us today. Thank you.